Hello everybody and welcome back. We're going to continue looking at the grade 7 Gauss from the year 2001, and we're on to question number 21, which is the very first question in part C, where the questions are now worth 8 marks. Okay, so if we do well here, we'll get a nice big score at the end. So what does question 21 say? Question 21 says, Naoki wrote 9 tests, each out of 100. His average on these 9 tests is 68%. If his lowest mark is omitted, what is his highest possible resulting average? Okay. So we're not given any clue as to what his lowest mark was. We're not really told a whole lot else. So what we could assume is that his lowest mark was just 0. Because we want the highest possible resulting average. So if all his marks were obtained on his other tests, we're going to get a better average if we just omit that 0% he got on a test. And that'll give us the highest possible average that we could get. So, we know he's done 9 tests. 9 tests. And we have an average of 68%. So we know that average is equal to total over number. So in this case, the average percent on the test is going to be the total percent on all his tests divided by the number of tests. So in this case, we have 68% equals, let's call it T% over 9, where T is the total of all his marks out of 100. Okay, we're told that each test is marked out of 100. So if he got an 89% on one test, that means he got an 89 out of 100 on that test. So T will be the total of all his marks. We want to figure out what T is. We rearrange the equation. So 9 times 68%. And 9 times 68, we grab our calculator, and we get T is equal to 612. Alright. Now, we're not told anything. We're not told his lowest mark is above 70 or something like that. We're just told he drops his lowest mark. And we ignore that. So nothing says that we can't assume he got a 0 on one test. So his new average, well, we would take the total and we would subtract off the marks he got on the test we're omitting. But that's 0. So new total is our previous total, however many marks he previously earned. And we can just say, well, let's assume he got 0 on the test. And how many tests are we working with? Well, we're now working with just 8 tests. So that's going to be 612 divided by 8. So that's 76.5%. So T% minus 0%. And I think 76.5 was the first one. Yep, there it is. It's A. So our answer to 21 is going to be A. So we're done the first question in part C. So if you feel like it, you can throw on a like of the video if you got the same answer. And whatever you do, I'll still see you in question number 22 in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.